Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start the factorization by splitting up middle terms. In our last video we discussed about the factorization by grouping method and direct common method, but today we will discuss about the middle term factorization or by splitting up the middle term. It is very important, very turning topic, so try to understand better. While an expression has three terms, then we will split the middle term and turn into two terms. How it can be turned and what will be the two new terms. Now look here, splitting the middle term. Now suppose this is ax square plus bx plus c. This is an expression ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a, what is b, and what is c? First we have to understand what is a. If there is an expression ax square plus bx plus c, so in ax square plus bx plus c, what is a, what is b, and what is c? Now a is the coefficient of x square. X square. What is b? B is also coefficient of x. C is the third term or constant term. May be constant, may not be constant, but it is the last term. Ax square, a is the coefficient of x square, bx, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term or last term. How can we break the middle term? We split the middle term into two terms. What will be the shape and size of new terms? Look, when we split the middle term into two terms, the sum of two terms must be b. Sum of two terms must be b, and the product of two terms will a and c. Product will be ac and sum must be b. That is the splitting of a middle term. Now it will be better to take an example. How can we split the middle term of the expression? Take a question. X square, question number 1, x square plus 5x plus 6, that is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to what? Now this is an expression contains three terms, but when we will do factorize, minimum pair terms are required, or a pair or in a group at least two terms or otherwise 3 terms or otherwise 4 terms makes a group. So here if you take two terms, there is one term is remaining. So we split the middle term into two terms. Now what is the coefficient of x square? That is 1. What is the coefficient? What is c? C is 6. So a into c, that is equal to 1 into 6, that is equal to 6. And what is the middle term? Middle term is b is equal to 5. So now take two number whose product is 6 and a sum of two terms or a two number will be 5. Take two number whose product is 6. 1 into 6, 6. It is 1 is a factor, 6 is a factor. We will take another two factor whose product is 6 and the sum of a two number will be 5. What are the number? If I write 2 into 3 or otherwise 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is 5, this is 6. Now look carefully, try to understand the coefficient of x square and the constant number multiplied to each other, means the product of a and c and the sum of two number will be 5. The middle term or coefficient of x. So 6 1 is 6. So we break 6 into 2 factor, 3 into 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So we split, that is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now look, 6 into total number you can multiply, no problem. 6 into x square or 1x square, 6x square, 2x, 3x into 2x, that is equal to 6x square. Or you take only coefficient, 6 into 1, 6, 2 into 3, that is 6, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 into 2, 6, that is 6 into 1, 6. This is the middle term factorization. Then it will be two groups. The first two term makes a group and second two terms makes a group. Here take x as a common, x take x as a common, then x plus 3 and here 2x plus 6 plus 2 common, x plus 3 and then x plus 3 total common, rest x plus 2. It will be the factorization. So another little things, small things you have to remember, that always concentrate your mind when doing factorization. Sign is main, very important. I always said that sign is very important, plus minus sign. Now take a screenshot, then we will go to the next problem. Question number 2, x square minus 5x plus 6. Same problem, but the change of a sign is a little bit change of sign. Now look, the coefficient of x square, that is a 1 and c is 6. So a into c, a plus 1, c plus 6, that is equal to plus 6. the multiplication or a product will be plus. Here all are plus, so there is no problem. But here plus minus given, but here is a problem. Here is the turning point. So plus 1 into plus 6, that is plus 6, and sum will be minus 5. Which number we will take? Those two numbers, when multiplied, the product of two numbers will be plus 6 and the sum will be minus 5. Look, minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 6, and a minus 3 minus 2, sum of two numbers minus 3 plus minus 2, that is equal to minus 5. So in this case, what we will take? X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. This much we will take. In this only sign is very important. The first group x is taken as the common, so x minus 3, and here minus 2 taken as common, so x plus changed to minus because of minus taken as a common before the bracket, so in bracket, so sign will be changed minus 3, that is equal to x minus 3 total common, rest x minus 2. This will be the answer. Now let us come to the next question. Question number 3, x square minus 5x minus 6, that is equal to what? Here is the another question, only sign change. So x, the coefficient of x square 1, and c is plus 1, c is minus 6, the product will be minus 6, the product must be minus 6, and the sum must be the minus 5. What are the number whose product will be minus 6 and sum will be minus 5? If you will take minus 3 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 6, so it is wrong. If you will take 3 into 2, that is equal to, if you will take minus 3 into 2, that is equal to minus 6, but the sum of minus 3 and 2 is minus 1, not 5, so it is cancelled, it will be not correct. So what number we will take? That their product will be minus 6 and the sum will be minus 5. Take 6 minus 6 into plus 1, that is equal to minus 6, and a minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. So the sum will be minus 5 and the product will be minus 6. So we will take minus 6x, x square minus 6x plus x minus 6. Now middle term splitted and into two terms, then group. Here take a common x minus 6 and a plus, here take one common x minus 6, that is equal to x minus 6 total common, rest x plus 1. This will be the factorization. Very interesting, not critical problem but interesting problem. We have to look deeply, you can solve the problem. Next question, question number 4, x square plus 5x minus 6, that is equal to x square plus 5x minus 6. Here 1 into minus 6, that is equal to product will be minus 6 and the sum will be plus 5. What are the numbers? Product will be minus 6, sum plus 5. So we will take plus 6 minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 6, and a plus 6 minus 1, that is equal to plus 5. So here we will take x square plus 6x minus x minus 6, that is equal to, here take common x, that is x plus 6, and here common take 1 x plus 6, and that is equal to x plus 6 total common, rest x minus 1. This will be this expression turns into two factors, x plus 6 and x minus 6. This is the middle term factorization. Now take a screenshot. Middle term factorization is important in your future life. So try to understand and practice more and more. Now we will do some more problems relating this. Question number 5. Six plus 11x square, 11x plus 3x square. 6 plus 11x square, x plus 3x square. But here is ax square or cx square. Here is a, here is b, and here is c. The first, if you treated the first term, there is no coefficient, only single term, that is either a or c. Whatever you take, if you take this is a, so this is cx square. So a into c, 6 into 3, that is equal to 9, and this is the product will be 9, and the sum 11. Sorry, 6 into 3, 18, and the sum will be 11. What are two numbers whose product will be 18 and the sum 11? So 9 into 2, that is equal to 18. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So one is 9x, another is 2x. 6, that is equal to 6 plus 9x plus 2x plus 3x square, that is equal to, take a common, 3 take as a common, 2 plus 3x plus here plus x take as a common, 2 plus 3x, then 2 plus 3x total common, rest 3 plus x. This will be the factorization. Very easy. Middle term factorization, very very important, very interesting and very easy. The next question, question number 6. 7 minus 12x minus 4x square is equal to. Now look here, this is, if this is a, this is bx and this is cx square. So our main motto, main intention, a into c, either it will be ax square or cx square, whatever may be, we have no problem, but we will must the product of a and c. If it is a, if it is c, so 7 into minus 4, C is minus 4, that is equal to minus 28, and the sum will be minus 12. What are the two numbers whose product will be minus 28 and sum minus 12? So we know 14 2s are 28 and 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So take the bigger number, bigger term, 7 minus this sign will be this sign. Here you can write 14x, then plus 2x, that is equal to minus 12x, and 14x minus 14 into 2, that is equal to minus 28, minus 14x, this sign will be this sign as it is, but the greater term must be comes first, plus 2x minus 4x square, that is equal to 7 take as a common, 1 minus 2x, and a plus 2x as common, 1 minus 2x, that is equal to 1 minus 2x total common, rest 7 plus 2x. This will be the factorization, middle term factorization. We split the middle term. Then take a screenshot. We will do the more problems. Question number 7. 12 minus x plus x square whole into 8 minus x square factorize. Factorize 12 minus x plus x square whole into 8 minus x square. Now here the problem is looking like a complex, but it is actually not a complex problem, it is simple problem. So look, 12 minus x plus x square whole into 8, here is a take another bracket, curly bracket, 8 minus turn into a bracket x plus x square. Just I put a bracket before x minus x square, and x minus x square turn into x plus x square. Look here. So how many terms in this expression? There are two terms. This is the first term, and from this to this total one term. There are two terms. First term 12, second term x plus x square whole into 8 minus x square, that is equal to 12. Let here x plus x square, let x plus x square is equal to y. Suppose x plus x square is equal to y. So that is equal to 12 minus y whole into 8 minus y turn into, now x square plus x turn into y. Let we suppose x square plus x is equal to y. So 12 minus 8y minus into minus a plus y square. Now turn it is 3 terms expression. Now term breaks the middle term. So the product will be plus 12 and sum minus 8. What are the number? 6 into 2. 12 minus 6y minus 2y plus y square. That is equal to, take 6 as a common, 2 minus y. Here minus y take as common, that is equal to 2 minus y. So that is equal to 2 minus y, total common 6 minus y. Now let, instead of y we can write x plus x square, that is equal to 2 minus x plus x square whole into 6 minus, sorry, within bracket, six minus x plus x square. That is equal to 2 minus x minus x square. Here another 6 minus x minus x square. Now here is a 3 term. Here is a 3 term. Here we can apply then middle term 2 minus x square, then factorize 2 minus x square. 2 minus x square, that is equal to, multiplication will be 2, product will be 2 and the minus 2 and the sum will be minus 1. What will be? 2 minus 2x plus x square, that is equal to 2 common, 1 minus x, sorry here minus x square plus x common, that is equal to 1 minus x, that is equal to 1 minus x total common and a 2 plus x. Now this factor turn into 2 factor, 1 minus x into 2 plus x, likewise 6 minus x square. Then factorize these things, 6 minus x square, that is equal to the product 6 and the sum will be 1. So that is equal to 6 minus 3x plus 2x minus x square, that is equal to, take 3 as common, 2 minus x plus x will be common, 2 minus x, that is equal to 2 minus x total common, 3 plus x remaining. So this is equal to, now you can write this is equal to 1 minus x whole into 2 plus x whole into 2 minus x and 3 plus x. There are 4 factors. This is simple question, but we have to factorize 3 times, first time, second time and third time. So for today this much. In our next video we will discuss about the difference of squares and the sum of cubes and difference of cubes, applying the middle term, the factorization. For today this much. Thanks. Goodbye.